Students, we are doing chapter number 18 mensuration, exercise 18.2. In last video we did till question number 8 and now we are starting from question number 9. Calculate the area enclosed by the given shape. All measurements are in centimeter. So first part, you can see here this shape is given. We have to find out the area for this. So directly we don't have any formula for this shape. So what we will do, we will divide this figure into two figures. So if here to here I will draw one perpendicular line, then I will get this one figure and this is second figure. This first figure is a rectangle because this angle is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, and straightly I am taking this line. This is also 90 and this one is also 90. This another shape is a trapezium because these two sides are parallel and this is the height of these parallel sides. So here to here it is 5, this one also will be 5. This is 2, so this one also will be 2. Now here to here from 7 just remove 2, so we will get 5. Here to here it is 5, here to here it is 2, and this 5 is still here and 4 is here to here. Now we will start finding the area. First we will find out area for the rectangle. First figure we can take, which is a rectangle, is equal to length into breadth. Length is 5 and breadth is 2, so we will get 10 centimeter square. Now second figure we can take area of figure 2, which is a trapezium. For that, half sum of parallel sides into height. So parallel sides are here 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 and height is 4 plus 5, total it will be 9. So we will get here half. 3 plus 5 is 8 into 9. We can cancel 2 4s and 9 4s 36 we will get centimeter square. So total area is equal to area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2. So first area we got 10 and second one 36. Total it will be 46 centimeter square. Next, second part of question number 9. Figure is given like this. This dimension is 9. Here to here total it is 9. And this width is 2 and here to here it is 7. This is also 7. This is also 2. And we have to find out the area for this figure. So here you can divide this figure into 3 parts, 1, 2 and 3. You can calculate in that way, or you can think like this also. If I will join this here and here, so this total is a square, 9 by 9 square, and from this square I can remove this one and this one. If these two parts I will remove, then I will get the area of this remaining figure. So in both the way we can do this one. So I am following this one. First I will find out the area for this triangle and area for this triangle, and from the total square I will minus it. So for that we need to find out this base. This total is 9. 2 this side and 2 this side we have to remove. So 9 minus 4, 9 minus 2 minus 2, we will get 5 centimeter. Same thing here, this also we will get 5 centimeter here to here. Both the triangles are same dimension. So first we will find out the area for square. This is a square, 9 into 9. 9 into 9 we will get 81 centimeter square. Then we will find out area for the first triangle. Half base into height. Base we can take as 5 and height we can take as 7. So we will get 35 by 2 or 17.5 centimeter square. Second thing, next we will find out the area for second triangle. Same, it will be half base into height. Base is 5, height is 7. Again 17.5 we will get. So the area of figure will be area of square minus area of triangle 1 minus area of triangle 2. From this total square we will remove this one and this one, so leftover figure we will get this N shape. So this area is 81 minus 17.5 minus 17.5. After subtraction we will get 46 centimeter square. Next, question number 10. From the adjoining sketch, calculate the length of AD, the area of trapezium ABCD and the area of triangle BCD. It means first we have to find out this side and then the area for this full figure and the area of this triangle. So first part we are starting now. You can see this ABD is a right angle triangle. So we can use here Pythagoras theorem to find out this third side. Two sides are given. To find out third side we will use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to 90 degree. Base you can see here, it is 40 centimeter and height is AD and hypotenuse this side opposite to 90 degree 41 whole square. So 40 square is 16,600, AD square as it is, and 41 square is 1681. Now this 1600 we can shift another side, so we will get AD square is equal to 1681 minus 1600. So AD square equal to 81 and AD square we can write as 9 square. 81 we can write like this. Therefore AD is equal to 9 centimeter. Square to square we can cancel out. So we got this side. This is the height for this trapezium. Now we will find out the second part, area of the trapezium. Trapezium area formula is half sum of parallel sides into height. So parallel sides are here 40 and 15. These two are parallel sides. So arrow is there. This arrow means these two are parallel. So 40 and 15 are the parallel sides. So we will write here 40 plus 15 and height just now we have calculated 9. So we will get here 40 plus 15, 55 into 55 into 9 divided by 2. After calculation and division we will get 247.5 centimeter square. Now third part we have to find out the area of triangle BCD. BCD means this triangle, and this triangle we know two sides but we don't know the height. We cannot use here half base into height formula. So what we will do, from this big trapezium we will remove this triangle, because this triangle we can find out easily half base into height, and this triangle we will remove. The remaining area will be for this triangle. So we can do area of triangle BCD is equal to area of trapezium ABCD minus area of triangle ABD. Trapezium area we have calculated 247.5 and area of this triangle we can find out with the help of half base into height. Because this is a right angle triangle, so one side we can take as base and another we can take as height. So base we can take as 40 and height 9. Cancel out. We will get 247.5 minus 180, and after subtraction we will get 67.5 centimeter square. Next, question number 11. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimension 28 and 32. This is the outer dimension is given. This is 28 and this is 32, and inner dimension are given. This is 20 and this is 24. Now we have to find the area of each section of the frame. So this frame is having total 4 sections. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4 sections. So we have to find out the area for all the 4 sections. So for these 4 sections, if you see carefully, these are in the form of trapezium, because these two sides are parallel and this height we have to calculate. This also, these are parallel and height we will find out. Same here and same here. So first we will find out this width. You can see here this is total 28 and the inner is 20. It means the difference between outer and inner is 8 centimeter, and this 8 centimeter is half this side, half that side is divided. It means 4 it is here and 4 centimeter this side. Then only this 20 plus 4 will become 28. Same thing, this is 24 and 24 and 32 difference is 8. That 8 is divided 4 this side and 4 that side. And this trapezium 1 and 3 have the same dimension, 2 and 4 have the same dimension. Now we will find out area for the first trapezium. Area of first part, which is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. Parallel sides for this one, this is 20, this is 28. So same thing is here, 20 plus 28 and height is 4 centimeter here to here. Now cancel out, 2 2s are 4, 20 plus 28 will become 48 into 2. 48 into 2 will become 96 centimeter square. Now second part, area of second part, same, half sum of parallel sides. So 24 and 32 are the parallel side, 24 plus 32 and height is same 4. 24 and 32 is equal to 56 into 2 is equal to 112 centimeter square. Third part is similar to first part. Half sum of parallel side means 20 plus 28 into 4, and after calculation we will get this one 96 centimeter square. And area of fourth part, half sum of parallel side 24 and 32 into 4. This we will get 112 centimeter square. Next, question number 12. In the adjoining figure, quadrilateral ABCD, angle ABAD is 90 degree and angle BDC equal to 90 degree. Means this angle is 90 and this angle is 90 degree. All measures are in centimeter. Find the area of this quadrilateral. So directly we don't have any formula to find out the area for this quadrilateral. We will find out the area of this triangle and this triangle, and later on we will add both the triangle and we will get the area for this quadrilateral. So first of all, For this first triangle, we can use here Pythagoras theorem because it is a right angle triangle, and we can find out this third side, because this third side we need to find out the area for this second triangle. So first, in triangle ABD, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is this side opposite to 90 degree, BD. Base you can take any one, 6, and height you can take other side, 8. So BD square is equal to 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. And this 100 we can write as 10 square. So BD square is equal to 10 square. So the value of BD is 10 centimeter. It means this side we got 10 centimeter. Now with the help of this and this, again using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out this third side. Again in triangle BCD, by Pythagoras theorem, this is the point C. By Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square is equal to hypotenuse square. So base you can take this 10 centimeter, and height we have to find out CD, and hypotenuse is this side opposite to 90 degree, 26 square. 10 square is 100 CD square, and 26 square is equal to 676. Then CD square is equal to 676 minus 100. We will get CD square is equal to 576. And 576, when you will do the factor, you will find out this is the square of 24. 24 square is equal to 576. So CD we can write equal to 24 centimeter. So we got height for this triangle, another triangle. Now we can find out area for both the triangle. So area of triangle ABD is equal to half base into height. From the two right sides, these one, this and this right angle sides, we can anyone we can take as base, other we can take as height. So 6 and 8 we have to multiply. So half 6 into 8. Do the cancellation, 2 3 and 3 8, 24 centimeter square. Similarly, we will find out the area for another triangle also. Area of triangle BCD is equal to half base into height. Base is 10 and height is 24. Then cancel out. This we will get 120 centimeter square. Now both the triangle area we can add, that will be equal to the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. So this is equal to 24 and this is 120. After addition we will get 144 centimeter square. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.